Hey, Mike the Marketing Medic here. And I see a lot of people trying to sell stuff online and they don't even know who they're trying to sell to. Now, I know this might not make any sense, but hear me out for a second. Some people have done their research and have identified what we call the client avatar. All right. So that's when we know their age, we know their gender, we might know where they hang out, that sort of thing, which is super valuable for our ad targeting. But that doesn't really get inside their heads. That doesn't help us identify the messaging that we have to create that they are going to relate and respond to, okay? And so here's the thing. We need to show some empathy towards those people. We need to really get inside their heads, understand their problems, understand where they are on the level of awareness scale, and then present a solution to them at the level that they are at, all right? Now, if you don't know what I meant by level of awareness, what I mean there is how aware are they of their problem? You'd be surprised. A lot of people are experiencing something that they just accept as daily life and they don't even recognize it as a problem. And if they do, they may not think there's a solution for it, right? Arthritis is a good one. I've got a client who is in the arthritis space, and most 60, 65, 70-year-olds, they have arthritis. Sure, it's a problem, but they don't think there's a solution, so they're not looking for one. All right. So the thing is depending on where they are on their level of awareness determines the type of language we use to try to sell to them. All right. So that is why you need to identify your buyer profile's level of awareness. Now, if you want to understand this even better, then I encourage you to show up to my masterclass. Just click the link. It's free. You can show up to the masterclass. I'm going to be going quite in depth about the level of awareness. I'm also going to be talking about the level of sophistication of your audience. And I'm also going to be talking about the other 4 pillars of an empathic marketing strategy. What's an empathic marketing strategy, you ask? Well, that's a strategy that you want to use if you want to create an audience that knows, likes, and trusts you. And why do you want an audience that knows, likes, and trusts you? Because they know, like, and trust you, they're probably going to buy from you. All right, so there we go. We went all the way from understanding your buyer profile's level of awareness all the way up to them buying from you. And you're going to learn exactly how to do that on the upcoming masterclass. So again, click the link. It's free. Sign up, and I will see you on the masterclass. All right, talk to you then. Bye-bye.